All right, today we're gonna need 2 tennis balls and a sock. Mine's a Christmas mini sock. Anyways, any old sock will do. Often actually just use an old sock, and then that way you can just always leave the tennis balls in it. So what you're gonna do is take the tennis balls and put it in the sock. Take both of them, put them in the sock, put them down to the toe end. Okay, work them down there. And this is where then you want to tie off the end. Okay, so you can just make a knot in that. And then you've got your homemade massage device. So then you can use this to go ahead and put it on the back of your neck. Okay, so then you can lay down either on your bed or the floor, depending on how much pressure you want. And that'll push on some great acupressure points, which will help to release the neck tension, the base of the skull there. If it's too much pressure, then just take that and lean up against a wall and you'll still get pressure too. You can also work that all the way down your spine as well. So you can keep moving it to any pressure points along your spine where you may have your aches and pains. Also like to take this and put it behind one shoulder, so that it's behind the shoulder blade there, and you can put it on either side, and that will help to release those shoulders as well for all of that tension that we get from working at our desks all day, working on those computers or scrolling on your phone. So I've long mentioned 2 tennis balls in a sock are great at-home tool to use for releasing muscle tension, aches, and pains. So grab your sock and tennis balls and get going.